musicians. They played with Bob Marley. You know, many big shows. It was Fab Five and Bob Marley. You know, and of course, since then we played for everybody. You name the person from Jimmy Cliff, Bob Marley. You name them. You know,
Well, yeah,
being a man.
we will. Let's, because this is a very impressive list here. All right. Now, folks, listen to this. These are just some of the artists that the great Fab Five band has worked with. All right. We've got Ray Charles, Dizzy Gillespie, The Grateful Dead, Rick James, Linda Ronstadt, the Neville Brothers, Roberta Flack, Fats Domino, Peter, Paul, and Mary. You're too young to know about them. Joe Jackson, the Shy Lights, Skeeter Davis, with whom you were working on a record partly when she passed. Is that correct with Skeeter Davis?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Right.
Beautiful lady, Skeeter Davis.
We've got the Drifters, one of my personal favorites, Miriam Makeba. Wow. Bob Marley.